Hi, good morning. In this session, we discuss about plane. In 3D, there are two topics are there. One is line, second one is plane. The concept of line is completed. Now we shall move on to plane. There is a bookwork is there. This bookwork is very important from the point of board theory examination. Don't miss it. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀರಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗೆ practice ಮಾಡಿ. It is very important from the point of examination. Yes, let us start that book work. The book work is derive the equation of a plane perpendicular to given vector and passing through a given point. This is the plane passes through one point. Call that point as A. Idu point ankolona. This is the given point. Call this point as A. So A is a given point. Equation ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ any point ಬೇಕು. Call that any point as P. This is any point, that is P. A is a given point, P is a any point. Join these two points. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಝೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ A is a given point, P is a any point, join AP. And this white sheet ಕಾಣುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, this white sheet is a plane. Understand? Okay. Now let us take a vector. This is the vector. ಇದೊಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಇದು. This is the vector. Call this vector as N. This vector is perpendicular to this plane. Observe ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಗೆ ಈ ಪೆನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದೆ. This vector is perpendicular to this plane. Clear? Suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. It's a vector. This is a vector. This vector is perpendicular to plane. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. This vector is always perpendicular to plane. ಹಾಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. This vector is always perpendicular to AP. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು AP. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು AP ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. N is a vector. This vector is perpendicular to AP. Yes, AP perpendicular. Suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ವೆರೆವರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ AP is perpendicular to vector. So call this vector as N. So N is a vector which is perpendicular to plane. If it is perpendicular to plane, then automatically it is perpendicular to AP. This is the concept. But in a board, we can't write like this. ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? 3D we can't write. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. Actually, AP perpendicular to N. N is a vector. Actually, this plane is perpendicular to N. This is the concept. AP is always perpendicular to N. This is the N vector, given vector N. Now observe AP perpendicular. A is a point. Yes. P is a any point. P is any point. A is given point. Join AP. So this AP is a line segment. Okay. This is a vector. This is the given vector. Call this vector as N. Actually a vector ಹೀಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. This is the concept. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾರ್ ಇದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. This is line AP. AP. A is a given point. P is a any point. This is the line AP. And this is the vector, given vector. This vector is perpendicular to plane. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. This vector is perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular to the plane ಅಂದರೆ it is perpendicular to AP. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಥರ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ A. let A is a position vector of the point A. Join from O. This is position vector. Call this position vector as A. Join OP, and this position vector is R, any point. Okay. Consider a plane passes through a point A. Let A is the position vector of the point A. So OA means A. Next line. Let P is any point on a line with position vector R. So P is a point with position vector R. So AP, arrow mark is very important. AP, arrow mark. Next line, okay. Let N is a vector perpendicular to the plane. From the figure, AP is perpendicular to N. ಇಲ್ಲಿ figure 1 mark. Suppose wrong figure, suppose figure ಇಲ್ಲ, figure ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಫಿಗರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಓ ಇಂದ ಎ ಪಿ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. AP is perpendicular to N as usual. AP, this is AP perpendicular to N. AP perpendicular to N. From the chapter vector, if A and B, A perpendicular to B, A and B are the two vectors, they are perpendicular means their dot product A dot B equals 0. A dot B equals 0. If A dot B equals 0, then A and B are perpendicular. So here AP is perpendicular to N means AP dot N equals 0. 0 ಗೆ arrow mark ಹಾಕಂಗಿಲ್ಲ because dot product AP dot N equals 0. Their dot product equals 0. What is AP? AP means reverse. OP minus OA dot bracket hackback N equals 0. What is OP? Figure node. OP R minus OA means vector A dot N equals 0. Dot convex. This is the equation of a plane passes through one point and perpendicular to a vector. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಫಿಗರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಎಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ passes through a point A. Let A is the position vector of the point A. P is any point on a line with position vector R. N is a vector which is perpendicular to this plane. Ishte. From the figure, AP perpendicular to N. AP perpendicular to N means their dot product is 0. So AP dot N equals 0. AP means reverse. OP minus OA dot N equals 0. OP means R minus OA means A dot N equals 0. What are the symbolic notation? R andre ಏನು? R is the position vector of any point. What is A? Vector A. Vector A is the position vector of given point. What is N? N is a vector perpendicular to plane. N is a vector perpendicular to plane. Yes, this is vector form of equation of a plane. Write down. Okay, next in Cartesian form. Cartesian means XYZ. X com, Y com, Z idre Cartesian form. ಅದೇ R equals something ಇದ್ರೆ that is called vector form. Okay. ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ what is the equation of plane? r minus a dot n equals 0. This is the equation of plane in vector form. ಇಲ್ಲಿ r ಏನು, r is the position vector of any point. ಆ any point ಯಾವುದು, ಆ any point p. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ p ನೋಡಿ, let p is a any point with coordinate x, y, z, x, y, z bracket ಹಾಕಬೇಕು point. Then its position vector is r equals xi plus yj plus zk. Okay. Next a ಏನು, here what is a? A is the position vector of the given point. ಆ given point ಯಾವುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a. its position vector ಯಾವುದು, a. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ a is a given point, its position vector is a. So here let a is a given point with coordinate x1 y1 z1. any point ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು given point, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ x1 y1 z1. then its position vector a equals x1i plus y1j plus z1k. that is the position vector. Okay. then ಒಂದು n ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. what is n? n is a vector perpendicular to this plane. so perpendicular means let a b c are direction ratios of n. here ಅದೇ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಾವು, ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್. ಇದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ಎರಡು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ತೊಗೋತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್. therefore n equals a i plus b j plus c k. ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆರ್ ಬಂತು, ದೆನ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎ ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಎನ್ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಎ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತು. ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. P of x, y, z, any point, its position vector r equals xi plus yj plus zk. A is a given point, position vector x point x, y, x1, y1, z1. Its position vector a equals x1i plus y1j plus z1k. n is a vector which is perpendicular to plane, direction ratio a, b, c. Therefore, n equals ai plus bj plus ck. Now we have formula r minus a dot n equals 0. This is the vector equation of a plane. Now we have to convert this vector to Cartesian. R means what? Substitute. Here xi plus yj plus zk. A means x1i plus y1j plus z1k. Subtraction from r minus a, I common, remaining x minus x1 I common plus here y minus y1 r minus a from r to a, y minus y1 j common plus k common, remaining z minus z1 into k. Put a big bracket because small bracket is there. Dot n means here ai plus bj plus ck equals 0. So r minus a means this one dot, okay, n means ai plus bj plus ck equals 0. Now dot product multiplication, I dot I 1, I dot j 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore I ಮಾತ್ರ, j ಮಾತ್ರ, k ಮಾತ್ರ multiplication. yes means x minus x1 into a plus y minus y1 into jj1 remaining b plus z minus z1 into c equals 0. Write in order. yes, a first, a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equals 0. This is the equation of a plane passes through one point and perpendicular to a one vector in Cartesian form. What are the abbreviation or what are the meaning here? A, B, C, ಏನು? Direction ratios of given vector. Okay. What is x1, y1, z1? Given point. XYZ any point ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So this is the equation of plane right now. Second question, find the vector and Cartesian equation of plane that passes through the point 1 0 minus 2 and normal to the plane I plus j minus k. This is the point, given point A, and this is a given vector, means vector n. Simple. So first we shall write in vector form. So given what they given, the given point, the point is A. So 1 0 minus 2, every point has position vector. Therefore, A equals I plus 0j minus 2k. Okay. Then they given normal to the plane, they given vector, call that vector as n. So n equals I plus j minus k. Now we have formula. We have the formula is r minus a dot n equals 0. Substitute r as it is, minus a, substitute I plus 0j, don't write, neglect it, minus 2k, put a bracket, put a big bracket, dot n, n means I plus j minus k bracket equals 0. Here y bracket means this dot product is multiplied not only for I plus j minus k. Therefore, you have to put a bracket. You will bracket ಹಾಕಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ big bracket, this entire vector and this entire vector is multiply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Therefore, you have to put a bracket. This is the vector form of equation of a plane. Next take Cartesian form. The Cartesian form, they given A. So call the point as x1, y1, z1. Cartesian equals 1, 0, minus 2, right? The given direction ratios, so direction ratios equals a com, b com, c, substitute 1, 1, 1 minus 1, so 1, 1 minus 1, this is a, b, c. Next we have formula, we have a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equals 0. This is the equation of plane. Substitute a means 1, 1 into x minus x1, 1 plus b means 1, y minus y1, y1 means 0, okay, plus c means minus 1, plus into minus, minus 1 into z minus, z1 means minus into minus plus 2 equals 0. Once again, a means 1, x minus x1 means here 1, plus b 1 into y minus y1, this is x1, y1, z1, 0, plus c means minus 1, z minus into minus plus 2. Now simplify, multiply x minus 1 plus multiply y minus 1 into 0, 0 bidi, minus z minus into plus minus 2 equals 0. Last step, x plus y, this is minus z minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 equals 0. This is the equation of a plane in Cartesian form. This is vector form. Once again, so find the vector and Cartesian equation. They given one point and they given one vector, that is normal to the plane means one vector. So vector form, formula ಯಾವುದು, r minus a dot n equals 0, that is the formula. R back, r means position vector of any point ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. A back, a means the given a point. So 1, 0 minus 2, every point has position vector I plus 0j minus 2k. The given normal to the plane means the given direction ratios of means the given one vector, perpendicular vector, normal means perpendicular. I plus j minus k equals n. Substitute r, okay, minus a as it is, dot I, n means I plus j minus k, ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ big bracket ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. That is the vector form. Next, in Cartesian form, x1, y1, z1, the given point, direction ratio, ABC, here IPAC 1, JPAC 1, K quotient minus 1. Substitute, we have the formula. This is the Cartesian form of the equation. Yes, A means 1 into x minus 1 plus B means 1, y minus 0 plus C minus 1 into z plus 2 equals 0. Simplify, we get the answer. Third one, find the vector and Cartesian equation of plane which passes through the point 1, 4, 6. Call this point as x1, y1, z1 or A, and normal to the plane. Normal means perpendicular, that is n equals I minus 2j plus k. You have to do yourself. Neeve Madi.